show you how to put a grommet in a terry cloth beach towel or a kitchen towel so that you can hang it easily. I am going to hang this on a sailboat and put carabiners on the safety line so then I can hang this towel up without it blowing off in the wind. But I've also done this on kitchen towels as well. If you're doing a kitchen towel, you do want to hang it this way. So you would do a grommet in the middle, so you hang this way versus hanging down there. So that's my tip for a dish towel. But for doing the long beach towels, you actually need two. So I've already done this one. This is about 12 inches away. So now I'm going to measure from this edge about 12 inches. Now your kit comes, this is a kit, it comes with this base. It comes with a punching tool to punch the hole through the fabric. It comes with this puncher that actually seals the grommet and the corresponding washer together. I find this punch tool that comes with it to make the hole isn't heavy duty enough. So I actually measure, then cut a small hole. You have to just do a small one because it'll actually stretch. Then I put the grommet on. Okay, so I've got my hole, I've got my base, and I've got the grommet itself. I'm going to position the hole over the grommet. Try to get right nice in the center. Perfect. Put the washer on top and seat it down. Now to close it, we put this on top, make sure it's even, and couple good firm hammers. Check it to make sure it's good, and it is perfect. Ready for the sailboat.